Stardate 29072017. On board Discovery. We've run down of power totally. We've still got to get back to the marina. We've got zero of power whatsoever. We're literally limping across virtually on nothing, like I say. Engines have all virtually been depleted. We've got now emergency back up there, which has also been depleted with the long range test. And I've even put the solar array, extended it as there's a small breeze, just to pull this thing through the water like a sail. Look how slow we're going. But we've only got to see that bridge right in the distance there to go. Got to get through that bridge, and then there's another bridge behind that, and then we should be there. Okay folks.